Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Mom, I hope you enjoy your birthday today, and I hope you also enjoyed this video that we made for you. I love you so much. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mom!
Happy birthday po. Thank you for all your support to our family, and we wish you more birthdays to come. And I hope that you enjoy your day.
I'm so nervous. Happy birthday, Mom! Thank you for everything. I hope you enjoy your day. And we're always thankful for you, and we love you so much.
Birthday!
Happy birthday, Lala. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Okay, Matthew turn.
Happy birthday,
Lala.
Happy.
Say happy birthday, Lala.
Happy. Hala. Happy. Happy, Lala.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Love, Matthew.
Love, Matthew.
Hi, Auntie. Happy birthday. Thanks for looking after me and being my mom here in Australia. And yeah, I love you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lola Marie, and God bless po. Hope you have a good birthday. Stay in peace. Cha-ching! Happy birthday po.
Auntie, happy birthday! Love you. God bless.
Happy birthday po, Lola Marie. Ang wish po namin ay good health.
And more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. We love you.
Ingat po palagi. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday po ulit.
Auntie Marie, happy birthday. Sana po maingat po kayo sa Australia. Sana po makarating po ako dyan. Sana po huwag po kayo mahawa ng COVID-19 at ayos naman po kami dito. Happy birthday. Love you.
Naragsak nga aldaw ti pan nakaiyanak mo kabsat ko ngay naude. Ay naket. Nya nga kasano nga iti pagbalin nga celebration mo sigurado man nun ang bongga. Happy birthday, ading.
Hello, Auntie. Happy birthday. Yan nga ni kag senyoron. Yan nga. Salamat, Auntie, ti aming nga intultulong mo kanyami dito nanipod iti pandemic. Bakal nga utang na loob ni mat kanyam diay. Sapay kumata nakaradkad ka ken nasaya at iti panado kwayo matita ti lalalo ti salud at yo. Agan anad kayo amin dita kasalamat kanyami ditoy. So nga happy birthday. Yay.
One.
Hello, Marie. Kumusta? Sa akin sinasabi nila na birthday mo raw. Kahapon ko lang nalaman na birthday mo pala. Wala kang natatanggap na cake dito eh. Happy birthday na lang, tol eh. Mag-ingat ka dyan palagi.
Ingat sa COVID.
Alagaan mo yung dalawang baton na bodyguard mo dyan. Yun lang ang wish mo, tol. Mag-ingat kayo palagi sa pandemyang ito. Okay, ingat-ingat.
Happy birthday, Marie. Welcome to the club.
Welcome to the club.
60.
60 na ba?
Yeah, 60 kaya. No, okay. Tapos, ikaw na bahala sa mga dalawang kulokoy mo. Akit-kit pa naman nila. No? O, sige na. God bless. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, tol.
Bye.
Godspeed, man.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Manutawin mo. Take care of yourself, ha? Mayak to dita. Kita ang urayon nak. Okay, bye-bye. Sige. Diyan ako magpapapayat. Okay? Okay, happy birthday, Marie. Happy birthday. Bye.